Right. What's the CDI? Combi with C6 fault. Now this normally is a fan, but we'll do a few tests just to confirm that. They're also having some issues with the electrics. These are underneath, slacken them off just until it's below the ridge. And then on top, pull forward. Shit, there's our fan on this. I'll put our multimeter on, reset it, and make sure that's getting power. Testing across brown and purple. You can test across purple and earth. Just power on. Straight away got 240 there. Plug it back in and just see what happens. Just let it do a thing. Put it in demand on service mode. Press and hold in this chimney sweep button for approximately 10 seconds and it should go orange. There we go. That's now in max. Just to turn that down to ice, it would be minimum setting. Nothing. Part number for the fan on this boiler, if you ever need it. I'll get it unplugged. This can sometimes be a bit tight. And therefore I'll get the grips on, just pull it off. Oh, come on. Bloody hellfire. Oh, jeez. That was tight. I've got 2 10mm nuts, but they also have, well, this one doesn't. Sometimes they have a posi in the middle. I've got to take the gas connection off the bottom as well. That should come out. Why not? Two out. Plate. Undo the connection off top of the gas valve just to give us some movement in the pipe to pull it out of that connection. Hopefully. Like the buggers out. So I'll take this out. This is your bearing plate. Sometimes these can rip. They look rubber. I'll show you when I've got it out. That was a pain in the ass. I advise anyone else doing one of these, I've not done one for a long time, take your gas pipe off first, because you'll have the support holding the top of the fan. Oh my days. Anyway, so this is the bearing plate, which when the fan, it's like a non-return valve really. You want to check the condition of that, you don't want any rips. Sometimes it's in half and disappeared, and normally that's the case, the fan's making a horrible noise. So what I'll do with a pencil, because they can stick down these, so with your pencil, if I can do this one-handed, is just run a pencil line around it, and the graphite off the pencil will stop the rubber sticking to the metal. I'll remove this plastic manifold and reconnect it onto the fan. I'll lay everything down in the same order, so you can't make any mistakes. That's that off, and that's going to be going on there. Do they come with any rubber? Yes, they do. Got seal packs here. So this rubber is there. Sit back in the new fan. Lovely. And that is going to bolt onto the new one. If it'll focus, there you go. This plate will only go in one way. You've got 3 lugs on the inside of this turret. The washer on top of the fan. That's ready to go back in. There's the bracket. I'll take the bracket off. Wash it back on the gas valve. It's done. We'll LDF both of these connections when the boiler is up and running. That is when they were live. Make sure this earth clamp is tight on. That's better. Right. Gas back on. Beauty. Advise them electrodes get changed because they're there to show you. Ones with the glass seal, although the red gasket looks alright. Then they should be changed for ones with no sight glassing. So I've got LDF these connections. Do our FGA. She's up and running. So it was the fan. With some mistakes on the way. I've come out to this one in attic. We've got a leaking gate valve. I think someone stood on it. Let's have a feel. Yeah, it's coming hot. It's coming hot now. That. Yeah. So we'll shut the cold water off and get that changed. Oh, let's hope the water's turned off. Fucking Christ. Jesus. Fuck me. I'd certainly say so. Just in case towel. It's never going to work, were it? Bless them. Cut it off here, press coupling, reconnecting to that T. Panic, panic, panic. Give this a little clean up before we put the press socket on. New nut and olive for that. Hopefully there's enough movement on this. Got that off there. Beauty about pressing an attic. No fire risk, which has happened before. Mention no names. Done. Use existing nuts, so same colour. Now up the nut. Oh, it's the olive. We should change, or cone, whatever you want to call it. Bit of V2 Boss White on. Just helps the olive to compress to the pipe a bit more gently, should I say. Probably does help it seal, but I'm not convinced. There's valves everywhere on the system, and I've no idea why. I'd guess it was the hot water feed before the customer turned the tap on. Obviously then I just felt it, got warm. Purely because cold pipes always seem to go like this with age. That was a telltale sign it was going to be the hot. Whilst I've been here, I've been messing with today's tools. Olive cutter, nipper. I'll show you how it works. Just take this off here to prove it was an old compressed olive. Bloody hell, fire. Christ. I know where to get this one off. So basically, put it in the end of the pipe, little squeeze, turn, little squeeze, turn, little squeeze, turn, little squeeze. That should be enough to remove it. Quite good. Just won't fit in every location. For the price, does the job. Thank God of it last time I come in here. Just check all joints around. Give the customer the dreaded news.